Hello viewers, I'm showing you today how to boot Kali Linux on a Pendrive. And if you want to understand the whole thing, then you have to watch the whole video and stay with me. Nothing can be seen cut. Watch the whole video well. Open the automatic browser, then search in the search box. Okay, search in the search box. Search uTorrent. Then you enter. This is the uTorrent official website. See the official website. Then click here. Okay, after in download this uTorrent web, then open another tab and search Rufus. And this is the Rufus official website. See the official website and click here. Then download this 1.1 MB Rufus 3.11 portable. uh, I already downloaded it, that's why I don't going to download this. You download it and then search Kali Linux and click the download Kali Linux. Go there. See, don't download this and don't download this. You need to download this in torrent. If your PC is 64-bit, download the 64-bit. If your PC is 32-bit, download the 32-bit. Remind this, you must be download Kali Linux live, not another. Must download Kali Linux live. Okay, I haven't downloaded it since because I already downloaded it. uh, and you must download it and when it is complete and install this. Let's go to PC. Then there is download and program. Yeah, there is Bluetooth. Okay, if you need to boot Kali Linux, you must have a pen drive above 8 GB, below which you cannot boot your pen drive. Okay, select your pen drive. There is already selected my pen drive 16 GB. And after you select now boot selection. Okay, then select the boot selection and that is Kali Linux. See, then select this. Okay, open. Okay, now you need to partition. If you have 8 GB pen drive, then partition it 4 GB. That is partition. You see, partition persistent partition size. uh, if you have 16 GB pen drive, then partition it 8 GB. Okay, I have 16 GB pen drive, that's why I'm going to partition it 8 GB. Okay, then see, if you don't partition it, it will automatically remove the data you have after using Kali Linux, for which you must it needs to be partitioned. Okay, then there is, see, Kali Live and select this Kali Linux. Okay, start. Okay, it's taking a few times. Okay, it's happening. Okay, you can see there my pen drive is booted. Now now shut down your PC. Now open your laptop, click the power button. It's taking time, wait. Yeah, see, and this is my pen drive, see, and then click this button and select live system persistence check kali.ors.prst. Click enter. It's taking time. Wait a minute, it's taking little time, just wait a minute. And this is my Kali Linux. Okay, see, there is everything you want. If you want to be ethical hacker, you must be need install Kali Linux for your hacking project, and this is a lab for practice hacking. See that so this file is not deleted, so that means finally we booted the Kali Linux in Pendrive. So okay, thank you for see my video, thank you for watch my video, take care, bye.